So how to remove duplicate data in Excel. So I have a sample yung duplicated data. Example yung score in math, science, score in English. So yung sa Google form kasi, yung bata is pabalik-balik yung pag enter ng data. So this example is to how to remove the duplicated data in Excel. So let's start. So we need to highlight all the data. So meaning from the given data. So we need to highlight. Okay, to the bottom. Okay, after highlight, you need to click the data. Okay, click data. After clicking the data, you need to click this one, removes duplicate or delete duplicate rows from a sheet, or you can pick which column should be checked for duplicate information. Okay, so let's click this one. After clicking, so nakalagay dyan is columns, which is the family name, the given name, middle name, score in math, science, and English. So ito yung i-check niya kung may duplicated data ba dito. Okay, please click OK. After clicking OK, so nakikita dito is no duplicate values found, meaning wala pong duplicate na nakalagay na names, no, or entry ng mga bata. Example, lagyan natin ng duplicate data, no. So i-try natin ito si Mulod. So i-duplicate lang natin ito para makita yung sample. Then next is okay, so may dalawang sample tayo na duplicated data. So balik lang tayo doon sa process. Okay, please click the data. After clicking the data, you need to click the duplicate removes or remove duplicate. So click OK. And after clicking OK, so meaning may dalawang duplicate values found and remove. 153 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cells, space, and etc. So meaning may dalawang duplicated na nakalagay dito. So pag click natin ng OK, meaning yung duplicated data is mawala na yun siya. So click OK. So tingnan natin is wala na pong duplicated data. Okay, para mas makita natin dito is we need to okay, put alphabetical order. So click home, then click the filter, no, dito sa kanan bahagi. So nandiyan sort and filter, so from A to Z. So click lang natin. Okay, so meaning makikita natin is wala na pong duplicated data dito sa mga pangalan nila. Okay, so yun lang, and I hope may natutunan kayo, and God bless.